Parts of speech. Understanding the different parts of speech is essential for building strong sentences. In this lesson, we will explore the 8 parts of speech. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, interjections, conjunctions. Nouns. A noun is person, place, things or idea. Examples: Rahim, book, Bangladesh, happiness. Pronouns. A pronoun replaces a noun. Examples: he, she, it, they. Verbs. A verb shows action or a state of being. Example: run, is, write, eat. Adjectives. An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. Example: beautiful, large, happy, blue. Adverbs. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Example: quickly, very, well, silently. Prepositions. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun and another word. Example: in, on, at, by. Interjections. An interjection is a word or phrase used to express emotion. Example: oh, wow, alas, hurrah. Conjunctions. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: and, but, or, because. Revise one more time.